I'm Kitten from SunSweetCooking, and guess what we're celebrating? My birthday! But if your birthday is in June, happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to me! Let's just get into cooking. So today we're gonna be making some delicious fruit tarts with strawberries, blueberries, kiwis, blackberries, and raspberries. But without further ado, let's get cooking. There, that's a lot better. What I love most about these fruit tarts is that they have no additional sugar. So that means that they are keto friendly. Perfect for summer. And the fruits and berries, they have nice energizing and healthy nutrients to help keep you going to continue playing throughout the summer. Meet me at the stove. Whew. Thank you for joining me here. Right now, I have my salt, or sal in Espanol or Spanish, my almond flour, my butter, melted butter, and my erythritol, or I should say powdered erythritol. You can see exact amounts down in the printable recipe card in the descriptions. But for now, let's preheat our oven to 350 degrees. This recipe will be making about 6 tartlet trays. You can find these tartlet trays on Amazon. The link is down in the description. But the tart trays that you want are the ones with the removable bottom. It's a key part of the tart. Tart. I like it! But we'll want to spray our tart trays down with some sprayable oil and stuff. We are going to combine all of our ingredients for the tart crust into a mixing bowl. And it's time to get a little bit messy. The almond flour, then the erythritol, the butter, and the salt, or salt. Now it's time to mix it up. There we go. Now that it's all mixed together or incorporated, that's a big word for the day, we're gonna press and compress it down into the tartlet trays. Make a nice thick layer. Also make sure to divide it evenly. Start pressing it down in the middle and then work your way to the edges. Now, we are going to poke holes in the bottom to allow the dough to breathe while we're cooking it. And we'll be wanting to cook it for 8 to 10 minutes, or until it's golden brown. Now let's put them in the oven. Minutes. While our tartlets are baking, we're going to work on our marzipan filling by the power of the birthday magic. There we go, that's nice. So we have our heavy whipping cream, the lemon for zesting, more powdered erythritol, and some vanilla extract. You also need a huge bowl. and an electric mixer. We plugged in. We are gonna put in our mascarpone cheese and our powdered sugar, powdered erythritol into the bowl and beat it on low speed for 2 minutes. Wait, I need my scooper spatula. May I please have it? That was nice. But let's scoop it out. There we go. That's better. And then the powdered erythritol. There. And beat it on a low speed. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands on the roll always. If your filling starts to get on the edges, use a scooper spatula to get it out, not while the blender is on. Time's almost up. Time for the final countdown. 1. Yeah. Beep, beep, beep. How do you like that? Yeah. Oh, wow, that is beautiful. You see that golden brown doneness? It's just gorgeous. For now, we want to let them cool completely before we can get the filling in them. Now we are going to slowly add in our heavy whipping cream. We're gonna kick it up a notch for a little while or until it gets thick. We have mixed it until it has become thick. I'll show you. See how nice and thick it is? That's what the consistency that you want. Hey, I said it right! In my Memorial Day video, I had a million tries to say it right. But be careful beating it for too long. You can overbeat it, and that is not good. Now we need to add in our vanilla extract and a 1/4 teaspoon of fresh lemon zest. There we go. About 1/4 of a teaspoon, and we just push it in. Now we mix it up, not with the electric mixer, with a spatula. And you want to gently fold it in. Not mix it up like a witch stirring a cauldron. Now it's time to pipe the mascarpone onto the tartlets. First, you'll want to get a piping bag, but if you don't have a piping bag, that's totally fine. You can make one out of a regular sandwich bag and a cup. What you do is you'll want to open up your sandwich bag, place it into a cup. Then you'll want to flip it inside out almost. And now it's in the cup. And you can just scoop it in. Once you finish scooping it in, you'll want to snip the end off of the bag. And voila, your very own piping bag. You'll want to fill it in equally to all the other ones, and you can spread it with the back of the spoon. Once you've finished piping them all in, you'll want to go and get your fruits. I'll show you how to fan out a strawberry. If you want it to look pretty, you can leave on the top green bit, but if you just want to dig in right away, you can cut it off. I'm going to leave it on. What you'll do is, almost at the top, you're going to stop cutting. Like this. I cut all the way down to here. And you want to continue that for the rest of the strawberry. You can do it the slices big, or you can do them thin. Once you've cut it, you'll want to press it out, like so. And it'll fan itself out. Ta-da! Now it's time to pop these out of the container. Gently press up on the bottom and take it off. Don't forget the bottom piece to take off. That wanted to escape. But gently press up and then get it off. If you need to, you can just use a butter knife. Doesn't this look nice? Now it's time to get decorating. First, you'll want to get a nice fan strawberry and put it about the middle, lay it down. Now the rest of it, you can use your creativity. I have blueberries, kiwis, and blackberries, but you can also add in any fruit you like raspberries. And you can use your creativity on decorating. Voila, one done. And you can make each one a little bit different. Now it's time for our finishing touches. We'll want to put this on the edges. Now it's time for my favorite part, the taste test. Let's see. That was so yummalicious. I've never tasted anything more delightful in my life. Thank you so much for coming to celebrate my birthday with me. I'll see you next month to cook up some more yummalicious food. Kitten signing off.